Dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to install VLC player on MacBook or any other software if not available on Apple Store. So first of all, you click on MacBook Safari and type VLC player, and here is click on official download of VLC media player, and after clicking this, click on here and select your Mac OS and click. After clicking this, the download will be automatically started, so we don't need it because I have already downloaded. So after the downloaded DMG file, you can click on your downloaded file in download folder. Here is VLC 3.2.6 DMG. So after this, you can just double click on it and minimize my Safari and wait for that is opening VLC verifying, and it is checking volume finished. So dear friends, after double clicking on your VLC and it's like a unzip, so after this you just select and drag and drop to an application. So after drag and drop your application, wait for that for copying VLC to application, and it's 134.3 megabyte and it says less than a minute. So it's depending on your PC speed. Like if you're using SSD, then it's copying very fast, or maybe good. So I have an SSD, so here is almost finished. So after this, close your VLC menu, like, and right click and select and right click, eject VLC media player. After ejecting VLC media player, then go to your launchpad and here is VLC media player, then click on that and wait for the opening. So we are verifying VLC. So I know this process is much longer use time than Windows. So that's the way you install Windows application, maybe other. So after clicking this, VLC is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Then simply open. So here is, I have already successfully installed VLC player. So this method is not used for VLC player. This method is used for all other application. If which application you want to install, if those application is not available on App Store. So VLC player, I need VLC player, so I check on Apple Store. So VLC player is not available, so that's why I downloaded VLC on my Safari and extract on my MacBook and install it. So that's the simple way to install any software like VLC, Google Chrome, FDM, and including like a LibreOffice. These all are without Apple Store installing, because these all apps are not available on all Apple Store. So uh, thanks for watching, dear friends. If you like my videos, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon